Hello, everybody. Hello. How are you doing? Are you ready for Monday's stream, guys? So I'm waiting for your comments to tell me how you doing, how you feeling today, how was the weekend, and hello to everyone who's watching this stream in the recording. I know there is a lot of you guys, but as always, tell me in the comments if you can hear me, if you can see me clearly, if everything is okay, because we know that sometimes I freak it up. But yeah, so tell me, how was your weekend and how this week started? Because for me, this week started already quite well. And let's try to continue the winning streak, the positive vibes of the week. So, Euro GPY, first one, as always, we have this consolidation, which I worked with this one, but before the stream. So we have this a breakthrough, and now we have an uptrend right now. So this situation, I don't really see entry points. I don't see any good levels on the top where the price is right now. So the most logical thing is to wait. So let's move on to some other concept here. USD GPY, but let me look in the chat for a second. If you can hear me and see me, it's okay. Oh, that's good. Hello, today is good so far. I have started working out. Ooh, good for you. Take care of yourself. That's nice. And I'm from Nigeria. You look pretty. And yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Hi, nice to meet you. And I'm glad that you can see me, you can hear me. So that means we definitely can continue with the stream. But wait, how are we gonna start if we didn't talk about the results of last week, which we try to start the stream with the analytics. So let's look at the week, not a month. So throughout the week, the profit, is it throughout the week? Is that Monday? Yeah. We streamed only twice? I thought we streamed 3 times. Oh shit. Whoopsie daisy. But anywho, $355 in profit, 60% win rate, and out of 15 deals, 60% win rate doesn't look that bad. Hopefully this week is going to be much better and we will get more profit. So USD GP, not really obvious. We have really quick sharp jump, and the price is probably trying to create new price corridor that's going to be resistance and support levels, but it is too early to make that assumption the truth, not make to see that it's true. Okay, here we have quite a good downtrend in the past, but the trend is breaking through and the price is rising. No good entry points. Euro, dollar, same situation. AUD, GB, we have a really good uptrend. We need to find entry point for that. GBP, USD. Same picture here, and all the currency pairs with dollar, they are jumping right now. AUD, USDs, yeah, we have this like, little ticky-tick. All the USD currency pairs are rising from the day. So let's try to look at other currency pairs. Euro, CAD, we have a good pullback. There is double top right there, and Stochastic also gives us a signal for a downward trend. It is not perfect entry point, because you can see it's like quite deep. The win rate is good, but I think it's a little bit too late, maybe. Generally speaking, not that bad, but we don't really have anything better at this moment. But yeah, well, let's look at other currency pairs, because I don't want to risk right now on this specific currency pair. It's too deep. We will go back to that one. GBP AUD. GBP AUD, we have the price breaking through this level and it's flying downwards. Somewhere here there is going to be a retest of this previous level of support, and most probably this level is going to work as a resistance, but the price is not there yet. Oh, Payout is quite low. It's 6%. Not that bad. Euro AUD. And right here we have a good downtrend, great double top, but we're a little bit too late. A little bit too late. It's too low. Too early. Looked good, but you know, sometimes it happens when the stream starts and we don't really have any entry points. GBP, GPY, really good uptrend. We need to try to find entry point for an upward trend. And how would we do that? We're not looking at stochastic, of course, because it's a really, really strong uptrend right now. How can we try to find entry point? I want to get into an upward trend right now, but I don't know where specifically I would do that. I don't know, because you see, when we have such sharp trend, it's hard to draw trend lines. So let's risk it right now. First risky deal, GBP, GPY, $50, use 3-minute expiration time, and it's opened according to this really powerful uptrend. And there was like a really, really small pullback on these two red candlesticks, and we're entering into a deal for an upward trend. Not really enough with the confirmation, except for a really, really aggressive uptrend. But we will see in 2.5 minutes. So right now, I'm going back to the chat. Back to the chat. I had great start today, 4 wins on the bounce. Ooh, good job, Chris. How much money? How much money did you use? And did you get to the point of your profit today? Or is it just the beginning for you? Hi, ma'am. Can you trade using market structure? I don't know who to trade and which time frame I should trade. So let me explain. You should work with the time frame which is comfortable for you. Specifically for me, it's 1 minute time frame, but this is a really aggressive trading. But if you want to get more like a laid back, less noise on the chart, then it's 5 or 10 minute time frame. That's going to be optimal. But again, it depends on you, and you. And if I can work with market structure, this is how I work always. This is not strategy, because you need to learn how to read the market structure, because this is the base on which the strategies are built on. So for example, right now we opened this deal according to the structure of this really good uptrend and the structure of pullback, which I came from. Maybe in this case it's gonna be bad. And this entry point would be more interesting. But yeah, right now we worked with the market structure. Knowing how to read the market is not 100% win rate, but this is one of the main things that you need to know when you're trading. There is no resistance. I'm sorry, I don't know which one are you talking about at this point. Maybe you're talking about support on the GBP, GPY? Oh no, I'm sorry. Can you start a series $10 into 10,000? 10,000 or 100,000? Why not a fucking million? Why not? So now, texted. It's really controversial. Right now, we have the break of an uptrend. We see that the price is dropping, and generally it broke through this last pullback. But I'm not sure if we should enter into a deal for a downward trend. I think that's not going to be the right decision. We will see what's going to happen next, because that might be a really deep pullback. We don't really have enough confirmation to enter into a deal for a downward trend. First of all, because with this aggressive uptrend, the main problem of it, we all know that the trend consists of 2 elements. Impulse movements. In this case, we're talking about impulse movements upwards, for example, right here, and small correction downwards, for example, right here. Then impulse movement upwards, small correction, movement, correction, blah, 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 blah. But the problem is when the trend is flying upwards so fast, we didn't really have corrections. So for now, unless the price breaks through this level, at least this level, then there was like a small correction, like small consolidation. We cannot say that the uptrend is broken. It looks like a breakout. Most probably it is, but entering into a deal for a downward trend, I wouldn't do that. And most probably, I would even think about another deal for an upward trend here. I'm not 100% sure that it's the right decision, but at the same time, the price reached this level of consolidation and the price was pushed upwards. But you know what? I'm not gonna listen to you. Most probably I'm gonna do something completely different. So if this candlestick is gonna be closed the way it looks like that, it's gonna be engulfing candlestick pattern. And yes, it is. In this case, I think that this was a really, really deep pullback with this aggressive uptrend. But basically, I didn't read the first entry point correctly, unfortunately. But of course, I might be wrong. This is market. This is real life market. I'm not psychic. But right now, I definitely see another pullback before movement upwards because the structure of an uptrend was not broken through. This movement downwards didn't cause change of character. Of course, you can say that the previous pullback was right there and the price broke through it, but you understand that this just one candlestick, this is not a full pullback. And this actually looks like a full complete pullback. We will see if I was wrong or right, but your deal for a downward trend, hopefully you were able to open it on the first red candlestick and tell me if your deal was closed in black or red. Did you get the money or not? Hopefully you entered on the first one. You're a trader, noob trader. Yeah, right. 5 years of trading. Of course. I'm sure that you are a professional and you know everything and you can judge just by a couple of seconds of a come to me and I give you a masterclass. Oh yeah, right. I'm not coming anywhere. So an Indian YouTuber who use on trade strategy trading $10 into 16,000 in 15 minutes. That's crazy. And even he is showing proof. What do you think about that? What kind of proof did he show? In this case, for me, proof. So imagine creating out of $10 up to $16,000. It is possible. I'm not saying it's unreal. It is possible, but the probability of that is like really small. So if you're gonna have enough tries, you will do it. So the only proof that I want to see in this case is I want to see how many tries he had before he had the good one. And I know that on a limp trade, you can cancel deal in red, so it might not be in stats. So I am a little bit skeptical. I tried actually, and I even have a video on the channel where we tried doing something similar, and I did like 3 or 5 tries. But again, that's just luck, because you need to understand, to get that result, each next deal should be equal the previous one. So you need to not win one of 2 deals. You need to win like 7 in a row. So the probability of that is possible, but not really possible. What the fuck? Okay, it was close. It was close. Let me see how close. Let me say. Oh, it was like a fucking beepity babbity boop close. Is what it is. I'm not gonna continue working with this currency pair. I know the guy who told me that I'm a noob trader, he knows the market much better than I do, and let's leave this currency pair to work with for a downward trend. For sure, I'm definitely not going to do that. But to the question of the question from $10 up to 16. So look at the stats. Look at it. Let me show you the analytics. Can I? Yeah, I can. So right here, you can see how many times do you see that I closed 5 or 6 deals in a row in black? Not really often. Not really often. Of course, when you're focused, not like I am on the stream, as I told you many times on the stream, it's more risky for me. But still, 7 or 8 deals in a row is really, really rare. So for example, right here, I have 4 deals in a row closed in black. So the last one would be closed for $800, so I would have $1,000 in profit in 4 deals. But objectively, that's not the best choice on how you should trade, and I definitely do not recommend doing that. Theoretically, it's possible. Physically, don't see how it's possible without losing a lot of money. With this currency pair, let's continue. We have this pullback. It didn't update the previous price maximum. And then right now the price dropped and pushing this same level, and we need to wait for the price to grow higher than the previous high. We cannot say it's an uptrend before that happened, or it should drop even lower than this level. For now, we don't have anything. We have swing high, swing low, and the price right now is in between 2 of those, so no point in working with those currency pairs, that currency pair. Use DCAD. Well, we'll have a level from a previous stream, and it's still working. It's still, oh, that's interesting. That's cool. So the price is breaking through this level, had a pullback right here, and Stochastic also gives us a signal for a downward trend, and I kind of like this entry point. Let me, yeah, this one's gonna be for $200, and I like this entry point. Maybe if the price is gonna get a little bit higher, I will enter into a deal for a downward trend on the currency pair USD-CAD. Good. What the hell was that? Good structure. I can't talk right now too much, to be quite honest with you, because I had one of my teeth removed, so it's hard for me to talk a lot. Let me explain the logic for this currency pair. We have a downtrend. We touched this level for, I don't know how many times it was before, but right now, the price reacted, then there was another pullback, and then at the end, the price broke through that level. It went lower, and from here, there is a pullback upwards. But I believe that right now, the price is gonna go even lower. But these candlesticks behaving in a weird manner. There might be a triple top. Triple top, top, top. We're trying to find entry point for a downward trend, but I think we need to wait for a little bit. Most probably there's going to be a triple top because the price could rise even higher and test that level again. Or it could drop right now, which is also probable. Should I enter right now so I won't miss the impulse downwards, or should I wait? So see, we had really big candlesticks, really good momentum, and right now momentum is really, really small. Now, not really the momentum got slow, there is huge, forgot the word, a lot of power from both sides, from buyers and sellers. And I think, yeah, we could enter into a deal for a downward trend right now. It's being pushed downwards. Oh, it's so low now. Anywho, let's enter right here. Should have done that a bit earlier, but it is what it is. So USD-CAD 3-minute expiration time using $200 for a deal. Stochastic also gives us a signal. So good job, good job. We'll see. I wish you a good day, Alice. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, sweetheart. Next candle, so ok. All right. I've been losing today. I want to learn from you today. Well. Right now I'm showing you how to lose money. Let's see how I'm gonna show you how to get all of that money back. Hello, Alice, long time. Hey, Ashley. Hey, Ashley. Sorry I haven't been here. Have a lot of problem with my teeth, unfortunately. Withdraw proof is going compounding back to back, no losses. That's cool, but you know what? I understand that with statistics, that's impossible to have win rate higher than like 90%. I personally do not know any traders with 90% win rate. So for me to believe that someone is doing that stably and quite often, like 5 deals in a row, can't believe that, 10 deals in a row, Even cool traders. I don't know. I don't know. Chris. And share Alice, and then price action. This is my 100 pounds a day to do. That's good, Chris. Happy for you. Get your profit and stop for today. If you reached your goal, don't risk it because overexcitement is not the best friend of a trader. If you're too happy, too excited, then just stop, be happy about it, and then continue for the next on the next day, because you're gonna get this feeling that each deal can be closed on black, and that feeling is really dangerous, just like when you're trying to do revenge trading when you're losing. It's not good. So good job, you made a great profit, and just stop for today, chill, and have, yeah, I don't know, some me time for today. I'm 16, I started learning trading. I'm gonna have a go. My emotion is not fast, that's why I lose my money. Can you give me suggestion? How do I control my emotions? I don't really like the part of the message where you're saying that you're 16. Okay, we have 20 seconds left here. But yeah, so let me talk about your emotions first. So, trading journal. Trading journaling is the great idea to work with your emotions. You need to put everything in the journal, each deal, why you opened it, why it was closed in black. You can see why. And the deal is closed in black, by the way. We did it, we did it. But yeah, trading journal. That helps a lot. Discipline, general discipline, not only in trading but generally in life, it helps a lot, a lot to make pauses between trading, not having overexciting excitement, not having revenge trading. But yeah, so you will know when to stop, at what point not to, you know, lose money, so you can control the emotions with that. Discipline, journaling, and first of all, if it's just the beginning for you, use demo account. Do not use real money. With demo account, you get used to the platform. You're not risking anything. On Quotex, by the way, we have that. Just click it and you can work with virtual money, not with your actual money. It's a really useful tool. For me personally, it's not that needed for me because I don't really use it at this point. It's like I'm not really concentrating when I'm working on demo account, but at the beginning, that was a really cool tool for me personally. So let's continue. Euro GPY. No, I really don't see anything. The uptrend is still there. The uptrend is still there, and there is some sort of consolidation. And for now, I think we can actually go back to the chat, chat. So, check the 10-minute time frame for USD CAD. Oh, thank you, Ashley. I'll go back to that in a second. What else do we have? Hey Alice, are you a millionaire? Well, of course I'm not. If I was a millionaire, what would be the point for me to have the whole situation with the YouTube channel, to have the whole situation with the academy? Speaking of the academy, it's also mostly free for the majority of everything is completely free for you guys. And again, if I was a millionaire, why would I waste my time on that? Definitely would not do something like that. Oh shit, guys, I have a call from my mom. I'm really sorry. I will go back to you in just a second. Okay? Just give me 1 second. 1 second. Sorry guys, had a little problem. I'm back. I'm here. So going back to the chat. Oh my god. Check the time, 10-minute time frame. USD CAD again. 1 second. How far should I go back to see the history and other support and resistance to have more win rate, bigger win rate? I think probably 50 candlesticks, 100 candlesticks just to see current levels. 50, 100, okay, 100, 150 candlesticks. Okay. Do you have multiple accounts on Quotex? As far as I know, it's against the rules, right? Well, right, but I'm the exception. Just because I'm not joking here, because they know, Quotex, they know that I have my personal account, which I work by myself. And for the streams, I asked for another one so I can share everything with you guys, so you can see absolutely every single move on this account. Because I don't want to show you all of my deals when I'm working by myself, because I use it for the videos, and I don't want to give you, all the information about future videos. So to have more clearance for you guys, I asked for a separate account, and of course, in general, that is against the rules. But since I am a blogger, influencer, I don't know, that's why I'm allowed, because I asked specifically for my streams. Okay, your GPY, not a really obvious situation. So someone asked for USD CAD 10-minute time frame. 1 second. 10-minute time frame. Why do we look at that? So with 10-minute time frame, we see kind of an obvious structure of a downtrend. But why do we do that? I don't really know the answer for that, because with 10-minute time frame, you need to open a deal with expiration around like 2 or 3 hours, which I don't want to do that right now. I will probably do that at the end of the stream. But yeah, and we actually opened the deal with the downtrend on this currency pair already today. But yeah, for now, no point of doing that, but at the end of the stream, I'll probably do that, if I remember about it. Please, guys, remind me of doing 1 hour, 2 hour deals at the end of the stream, because we talked about it once and I completely forgot about it last time. Okay, moving on. Euro GBP. We have a downtrend, but right now the price is quite low, so it's too early. Euro dollar. Here the price is dancing around. Maybe right here we can get a jump upwards from this level, because this is a really good support level. Maybe even a demand zone, according to this aggressive growth. But the price is still not there. Maybe in like 5 minutes. Let's put a little notification right here. So when the price, a bit higher, I would even say. Yeah, so when the price reaches this level, we will get a notification. We will go back to this currency pair and we will see if we have anything that tells us that the price is going to rise. But for now, globally it's a downtrend. I don't want to work against it. But yeah, that's just a reminder. AUD GPY, good uptrend. I don't know, man. GBP US dollar make me holla. Globally, it is a downtrend, quite an aggressive one. We kind of see a trend line here, right there. Maybe we can enter into a deal for a downward trend, but the price could actually rise a little more, because here, see, the price is pushing the previous low, as you can see, at the same level. So generally, we have a royal pullback for fly, but the price doesn't react and we have a consolidation, so it might continue, and I'm not really sure if it's a good idea to do that, so I'm not gonna make that mistake right now. Australian dollar and US dollar. We have an uptrend in the past, it was broken through, and the downtrend started. Right here, the price is pushing something. I don't see any levels in the past in this moment. And generally, I don't know what's going on. We have power on both sides. And we have two dodgy candlesticks in a row, and I don't like that. I do not like that. Euro CAD. Not a bad downtrend. Somewhere here would be nice to find a deal for a downward trend, but I don't know where. Generally, from this level, it wouldn't be bad, but we have huge momentum from the buyers. So this level, the price can break through it and go higher. So right now, with such momentum candlestick, to enter into a deal for a downward trend is not the best idea. But if it's going to be pushed downwards, a deal for a downward trend looks quite nice. Looks quite nice. Not obvious. Not obvious. It is being pushed. Well, now they have more power. Let's risk it for the biscuit. $50, not that bad. So, currency pair, euro, Canadian dollar, 3-minute expiration time, $50 used. And I'm going back to the chat. Going back to the chat and reading your messages, guys. And again, Alice, are you a millionaire? Yeah, I am. I'm a billionaire. Oh my god. Which one is better, Quotex or Pocket Option? In my opinion, Quotex is better. How many trades have you entered? I wasn't here. 3, 4? Let me see. Let me check. 3, 4. Double up. I don't want to double up. What the fuck is wrong with you? Yeah, so this is the deal number 4, but we're just starting, you know. Hi, have you ever did pixie cut? Hey, relaxing, haven't seen you. How you doing? Pixie? No, I actually haven't. My hair was like this short, but not up to pixie cut. Cause I'm gonna go crazy. I need to, you know, like get my hair in place so they are not in my face. So on the streams, yeah, for the most part they are in my face, but you can clearly see that I'm doing this all the time, you know, because it drives me crazy. But anywho, we're not talking about hair. We're talking about trading. And for now, I see that the price probably is gonna push this right here, this level. And we could enter into another deal for a downward trend. We have 1 minute and 20 seconds, so the price could possibly drop. So we're now gonna open the second deal. If you're gonna lose the moment, it's okay. We will open another currency pair and find a better entry point. So for now, Euro CAD, 1 minute left. We again have this like freaking zebra. Green, red, but we need this red to be lower. And you guys, you know the rules. If the price is not moving according to our desires, our predictions, you need to like up the stream, spam the hearts in the chat so we can push the price downwards with our love, with our support. See, I'm talking about it. It's happening. You're doing it. It's happening. I'm telling you guys, manifestation is a really big thing. We have more potential, guys. We can push it even lower. Lower. We need it lower, you know, not high, lower. It needs to be like somewhere there. Guys, a bit more love. A bit more love. Just a teeny tiny more. Like, push it. Push it. More hearts. More likes. Just for a couple of seconds. Just one. Bitch. That's magic. That's magic, guys. That's you. All of y'all who are liking up the stream and spamming the hearts, that's your help. For sure. I am sure with that. So we're moving on to another currency pair because this fucking zebra is there. I don't want to work with a zebra. No. We're trading, we're not working with animals. Euro USD. The price still haven't reached the level that we kind of pointed out, but I don't want to work against the downtrend for sure. For sure. Euro GPY, we have double top here, but I don't see any entry points right now, to be quite honest with you. Double top is not telling me pretty much anything. Use DGPY. That would be nice to find entry point for a downward. Downward? Upward trend. What is wrong with you? We have consolidation in the past and the price is flying high. So how to catch an entry point? The price could do the reversal on the previous high. Sounds like a high, because this impulse and that like one candlestick pullback doesn't really count. So the previous high is actually the one that we should pay attention to. But in general, there is a chance that the price is going to react, so we need to look. But it can actually drop even lower up to this point of the high, official high, you know, so we need to hypnotize the chart. So let me see something else while that's happening. Yeah, it's still dancing around in the same level, so I think I made a good choice, and maybe there is even a breakout in the future. But yeah, it's still like it's pushing the same level. It's not growing, it's not dropping. Meh. Kind of boring. Yeah, that's not the right currency pair. It was USD yeah. Okay, so it broke through this level, and we need to look where the reversal is going to happen, and we will try to find an entry point there. And it's not happening. But we see actually that momentum is getting smaller and smaller because the candlesticks are getting smaller. Like, see this level, it's like a nano level. I don't think that's good. Something is happening at this point, which is good. The previous pullbacks, someone stole the candlestick in the past, for fuck's sake. Stop stealing candlesticks, guys. If we're gonna enter a deal here, it's gonna be too risky, and I don't want to do that right now. Do not want to do that. Look at the last one. Look at the last one. It was just like on the verge of dying. It was you. It was all you. You saved my ass. You saved my ass. And now I don't want to be asking for saving. I want enough confirmations. So, for example, here, if the price reaches the level, we will enter into a good deal. So I'm gonna put a little notification, but I'm not working with it now. Euro USD. Not a bad pullback. The price is quite far away from the level. We have evening star pattern, so let's do it. Let me explain. What are we afraid of right now? We are afraid of... The fuck are you doing? I just wanted to say this is a demand level and the price shouldn't reach it really fucking fast, just like it did. Because from here the price could be pushed upwards. For fuck's sake, what are you doing? Oh my god. We will see, we will fucking see, but this deal now is really fucking risky because the main idea was that the price should slowly go to that level and then the price could be pushed upwards, and the price actually fucking plummeted downwards. Oh, for fuck's sake. But yeah, at least it's not rising right now. But oh my god, if you're working with me, guys, do not open this deal. It's too fucking risky because it is going to rise most probably, and it's going to be more logical that if the price is going to drop lower, because this level is really, really strong and the price was pushed upwards in the past. There is still a chance that the price is gonna retest this level again, but the chance is fucking slim as hell. Like a Slim Jim. Too slim to be, you know, to be nice. Anywho, Euro USD 3-minute expiration time, $50 used. Don't fucking believe it's gonna work, but we will see, we will see. Why do you like Quotex better than pocket option? Talked about it many times, but let me talk about it again. So first of all, I have questions, a lot of questions to the support of Quotex. With Quotex? Pocket option, what the fuck? With Quotex, interface is much more convenient for me. We have a lot of micro moments. Generally, they are similar. I'm not saying PO is bad, Quotex is better. Quotex is better just for me, from my experience, from my point of view. That's it. I have to go to eat dinner. Bye, Alice. Bye, relaxing. Bon appetit. I admire your teaching, by the way. Oh, thank you. But today my teaching, generally we got the profit a little bit, but it doesn't look it doesn't look good. We will see how it's gonna end. I don't even want to look. Ashley, Alice, will there be another VIP session today? In VIP channel that we have on Telegram, yep. We will have at least one more session, maybe even 2 of them. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. So the price is retesting this level again. It most probably will drop until that level again, and there will be a jump. But generally, we opened the deal correctly, but the moment the price just fucking plummeted downwards, that was terrifying. That was terrifying. But we still read the market correctly. We read it correctly. The deal is closed in black, so we did a good freaking job. Let's try to find one more or maybe even a couple more deals for today. AUD good uptrend. Good uptrend. AOK payout 88%. We have better ones, but meh. We don't really have any entry points right here. I don't want to go into an upward trend. No, not really enough confirmation. Not enough. GBP USD, same situation with Euro USD. Too early to do anything. AUD USD, nothing. Euro, Canadian, a dollar. Here we need to try and catch the moment for a downward trend, but the price is kind of stuck. So there's absolutely nothing else to do for me, for you, for anybody. GBP AUD. AUD. Who said that? We have a triangle because we have this downtrend if we connect all the highs, and we have a support level. So the structure of triangle is there. Most probably the price is going to go a bit lower, and from that level might rise, might drop. But we have a really small corridor there, really narrow corridor, so not working with that. 84% USDCAD, not impressed. But if we're looking at what's going on here, we also have a triangle here. But this situation is a bit more interesting. We could look into a deal for a downward trend theoretically, but this candlestick is kind of confusing, to be quite honest with you. So it doesn't give me anything. But because also we have this level, and if we will have a breakout, the price will touch the level and go downwards. So might, at least might. Should we risk it? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah. Let's see, what else do we have? Euro GPY. Can we get at least one deal here? I don't want to work with this resistance. We should break it because we had really good impulse from the buyers. They should. Oh, Euro GBP, we have notification. Okay, so the price reached this resistance level. This is much more interesting. We have global downtrend, and Right here we see this resistance level from which price worked 4 times already, and this is number 5 when the price is reaching it, and from here most probably the price is going to be pushed downwards. We need additional confirmation. Stochastic is of course in the zone of being overbought, so we need to catch the moment for a good entry. Good entry. So probably I think this is going to be the next deal because we have 93% payout and payout, which is amazing. So for now, while we wait, I will go and look into the chat. And there is basically nothing in the chat. Oh, guys, if you have any questions, especially if you're new here, that's why we have streams. Ask questions. We can talk about it. If you don't understand why I'm doing certain things, if you have questions about certain strategy. And when I have time, I go into the chat and looking at your questions and trying to answer them. Of course, I'm trying to focus on this session, but the stream is our ability to communicate, to clear some things up that you were kind of like, afraid to ask and have no one else to ask, maybe even. So don't be shy. Ask. Don't be shy. Okay, right now, there should be the reversal when, yeah, see, the price is reaching this level. If we lose momentum here, then I will definitely open a deal for a downward trend for sure. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh, momentum is not. No. 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 We shouldn't have momentum here. We should have a lot of power from both sides, not from only one. And the sellers should win in that fight. But yeah, so if it's gonna be like that, I won't enter into a deal here, even if we break through this level. No, I'm not working with it. Okay, we have huge momentum. This thick green candlestick. Almost called it Greek. I can't talk. My tongue hurts because of my teeth. Okay, now if we will have a similar thick red candlestick, then I will go into this deal, but doesn't look promising. So we have some time. Let's move on to other currency pairs, because we're probably just sitting here hypnotizing something really hard instead of looking at something much easier and much more obvious. Yeah, nothing. Okay, we will wait. We'll just sit down, kick back, and wait. 7 seconds. It doesn't look great. It's gonna be a dodgy candlestick, so we will have to wait for one more candlestick. Yes, this is a dodgy candlestick. And only after red candlestick we will enter into a deal for a downward trend. If the candlestick is going to be green, I'm just going to close this setup, and that's it. But it now looks red. Give me a little more. Yeah, we need the red candlestick to cover bigger part of the green candlestick. If it's not being pushed upwards back again, then we will enter into a deal. And it is not. Yeah. Okay, currency pair, Euro, GBP. Fuck it. Too late. Maybe not too late. Too low in my liking. Anywho, Euro, GBP 3-minute expiration time, $50 used. And generally, we still have some momentum there left. Let me explain the logic again. We have two confirmation. First of all, really strong, powerful global downtrend, and after that we also have these resistance level, which worked 4 times, and now this is number 5th touch, after which the price is dropping, and we will see what's gonna happen here. And for now, the price is dancing around at the entry point. So now we are waiting for 2 more minutes, and I do not want to look at that chart. Freak it. I notice you have 1 minute delayed compared to your chart. I mean, if you're talking about me talking in my chart and your chart, there is 1 minute delay. Yeah, of course. Of course, I'm trying to do maximum speed of the internet, but there's still going to be a delay. There's a lot of things that kind of have power over it. So first of all, YouTube, provider of the internet. So basically we will always have some delay. That's why I'm always telling you, if you want to work with me doing the same deals as I'm doing, do not do that because of the delay. You need to have your own brain, look at the situation, analyze it, and then work with it. Because if you're going to be late for 1 minute, that might be a moment where you're going to lose the money, you know. Okay, so here we have really good morning star. Green candlestick, red doji, then huge red candlestick, really good reversal pattern. Sometimes it's still not enough. We have all the confirmation that we can possibly have. But oh well, something is happening. I don't know. Buyers are still trying to take the control of the market. And I do not like it. I have 37 seconds left. I don't know, guys. Oh, what are you doing here? Okay, we're not entering into another deal on this chart because if this candlestick is going to be closed like it is right now, big green one, we'll move on from the setup. It's okay. I am not happy about what's happening right now, but I think we will try to find another one and then we will have a break because we just got our balance back to normal. Sorry, my tooth. It's killing me sometimes. But yeah, we will stop if I don't see any good entry points because there is no point of losing money all the time. There is a resistance level, but it's not obvious. I don't like that. I do not like it. Use DGPY. I want to get into this uptrend, but no entry points there. None at all. What are you doing? It's still being pushed downwards. What a bitch. What a bitch. We have a lot of currency pairs, but most of them you need to sit down and wait. And here GBP USD, good growth, and the price reached the level from the which growth started previously. But I don't want to work with it because see huge shadows. The deal for an upward trend is possible right here, but I do not like that this price is pushing this level. See like how many shadows there. They are huge at the same level. So too risky in my opinion. AUD, USD, global downtrend. There is the little pullbacks. The Stochastic is giving us the signal, but we don't have any levels there, which is not good. But in terms of candlesticks, we have engulfing, then some hammer. Okay, generally wouldn't say it's a perfect entry point. First of all, we have Stochastic showing us a high possibility of reversal. Second, we see our engulfing candlestick pattern. It's a reversal pattern telling us that the power is being taken by the bulls in general trend. So AUD USD 3-minute expiration time and $100 used. So going back to the chair. Going back to the charts. How many trades do you take a day? How many trades do I take a day? It depends, it depends on the situation. I always try to get like, if I lose 4 times in a row, I'm done. And if I start with 4 losses, I'm immediately done. So of course it depends on the situation, it depends on the day, and there is a huge difference between how I work on the stream and how I work in my personal trading experience, because of my personal trading experience you can see in the academy. I have VIP channel there where you can basically sort everything out. And yeah, it is what it is. So it depends. But I mean, let me think. So it's gonna be around like 10:15. Yeah, 10:15. That's what I'm gonna say. It's gonna go up again. We'll see. Could you please tell us why you sold? Because I'm seeing buy signals. Terry, which one are you talking about? The one that it's happening right now or the last one? Which one? Broke the resistance level. I'm here. I'm on it to rise higher. I need to clear out the previous area. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, whoopsie daisy. We need to be like the price to be pushed downwards. See, really fucking weird signals today. Everything is connected. So we have all the confirmation. We have obvious downtrend. Obviously, with the trend line, we have the reversal. Obvious signal from Stochastic as well. Then we have engulfing candlestick pattern, and still the price is doing some fuckery. What kind of fucker is that? Whose horse is that? And I don't like that horse. Take it back. Take it back to your ranch. I don't like that horse. I love animals, but that horse, I don't like today's trading. I don't like today's stream. Please go down. Don't be a bitch. Don't be an asshole. You are a bitch. You are an asshole. The deal is closed in red. The deal is closed in red. Globally, nothing changed. But there was not enough power. I'm afraid of getting my ass into this consolidation again. I don't want to do that. Okay, let's find another one, because I'm not giving up. Not giving up. Let's do last one. Last one for the stream to end it on a good note. Use DGPY. No entry point. Your GBP. Generally, the price broke through that level and it's being pushed downwards. But I'm not getting myself into that situation again. Euro, a dollar. It looks like a pullback, but at the same time, it looks like the structure of the downtrend is broken, so not working with that. No, no. UDGP. Wow. We need to find an entry point here. We don't have that. Don't have that. GBP USD, we had a great jump, quite aggressive downtrend. Stochastic giving us signal, slow growth, and the drop has started. So good downtrend. I don't know. An engulfing candlestick. Okay. Let's fucking risk it again. Let me open 2 in a row. So, I opened 2 in a row, just not to, change for 200 because this is the next step that we should take, have a deal for $200. So, this situation is similar to the previous one. Here we obviously see the reversal of the price, drop of the price, loss of momentum, inverted hammer. Then we also have red candlestick that absorbs the growth of the previous candlestick, so bearish engulfing. And right now the price should drop. We have stochastic signal as well, and also we have a downtrend, global downtrend. I cannot imagine even more confirmations than that. So can we fucking go down, please? I'm talking to the price, not to you guys. But yeah, the market today is a little bit confusing, which it is what it is. So GBP USD 3-minute expiration time at $200. I'm here to help. Yes, I'll go for another. Bye. Which one are you talking about, dog? Tell me which currency pair you were talking about to go for a buy. If you're talking about GBP USD, there was no signals for that. I think you should sell. If you're talking about GBP USD, yeah, I think so too. But if you're talking about GBP USD, yeah, that one. Euro GBP. What was there? Sell. Euro GBP buy. Euro GBP, Euro GBP, Euro GBP, beep, 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 beep. Euro GBP. Beep, 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 beep. Well, I mean, when you were talking about it, there was a breakout and the uptrend is being formed. So I kind of agree with you. You should try to find entry point for an upward trend, but I'm not really a big fan of this place because in the past there was a good signal. But here, see, even looking at candlesticks, I'm not sure. I would wait for the price to drop until this level, the resistance level, right? Now, support level. From that candlestick, the red one, you could even close the deal in black. So it was actually the time where you left the comment. So I believe that you were correct, and the deal in your case would be closed in black. Good job analyzing everything. But I was too slow to see the message. All right, GBP, USD. We did a great job analyzing every fucking detail of this situation. And it looked amazing, and it looks amazing now because it is closed in black. We closed this one in black. All right, guys. So I think that's going to be enough for now. I need to have a little break because I feel like my trading style is not really good right now at the situation because we have to find like ultra perfect places, and I believe we will continue with the session on a VIP channel. For those who are a student of the Academy, you already know about this and you will see what we're gonna do today. But for the stream, I think that's gonna be enough. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for leaving the questions, for asking them, by the way. And yeah, always happy to see you, and hopefully I will see you in the next one tomorrow.